Though the planet has only warmed by 1 degree Celsius since the Industrial Revolution, climate change's effect on Earth has been anything but subtle. 2016 was the hottest year on record, setting a new high for the 3rd year in a row, and 2017 is expected to be just as hot. These high temperatures lead to an increased number of heat waves that can last as long as multiple months. In 2003, a 2-week heat wave in Europe killed 23,000 people. It was described as a once-in-500 years event, yet it happened again 3 years later. Similarly devastating heat waves happened in 2010 and 2015. Increased evaporation rates also bring droughts, even in areas where rain doesn't decrease. As plants and soil lose moisture, a larger proportion of the sun's heat goes into the air. This creates hotter summers under drier conditions, perfect conditions for wildfires. Warmer air can contain more water vapor than cool air, which leads to heavier downpours when it does rain. This increases the odds of flash floods, even in areas where total precipitation is expected to decline. There has also been a substantial increase in Atlantic hurricane activity since the 1980s. This is due in part to higher sea temperatures. Ocean water is in a state of constant motion in the form of a system of currents known as the global conveyor belt. These currents are largely responsible for the regulation of the Earth's temperature. Scientists fear the rise in ocean temperatures could trigger catastrophically rapid changes in climate. As ice sheets and glaciers melt, and as seawater warms and expands, ocean levels rise at an alarming rate. These rising sea levels can contaminate drinking water, increase salinity in groundwater used for farming, and endanger wildlife.
While there are varying viewpoints on climate change today, one thing is clear: our world is changing, and we need to take action while we can.